Property taxes are a crucial aspect of owning property in Singapore, and understanding them can significantly impact your financial planning and operational costs. The tax is based on the annual value of your property, which reflects its potential rental income. This applies to all types of properties: residential, commercial, and industrial. It's essential to carefully review your valuation notices. An excessive annual value can lead to overpayment, so don't hesitate to challenge it with evidence if you believe it's incorrect. For commercial and industrial property owners, regularly reviewing tax assessments and exploring available tax incentives can help manage those pesky operating expenses. Effective property tax management not only improves your cash flow but also enhances your overall financial strategy. Staying updated on tax regulations and consulting with professionals can lead to significant savings and better investment returns. Remember, a well-managed property tax strategy is a key to unlocking your investment potential.